Extreme endurance for monitoring devices. Capture your crucial moments in high resolution, even in harsh conditions, engineered to deliver long-lasting performance. The Samsung Pro Endurance SSD is a perfect fit for CCTV, dashcams and bodycams. Get peace of mind with video recording you can rely on. Built to last up to 140K hours of recording, with capacities up to 256 GB, the Pro Endurance records and rewrites up to 140K hours, over 16 years. Plus, with a warranty up to 5 years, you can rest assured that your data endures. Record play in FHD, 4K. The Pro Endurance simplifies large file transfers with read-write speeds up to 1/140th of a megabyte per second. Plus, FHD and 4K resolution support ensures that crucial moments are recorded in high res so every detail is documented when it matters most. Critical data, safeguarded. From severe weather to extensive wear and tear, the Pro Endurance stands up to real-world situations. After rigorous testing, it stands up against magnets, X-rays squared, water cubed, drop to the power of 4, wear out to the power of 5, and stays cool under pressure with operating temperatures ranging from -25 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius to the power of 6. Top reviews from the United States. Great for dash cams. I run a dash cam, Viofo A129 Duo, in my car and have had micro SD card failures in the past. Because of past failures, I try to rotate through cards on a weekly basis so that if one fails I won't go too long with a bad card installed. I haven't had a single failure from a Samsung card yet. They are my go-to manufacturer.